AutoCAD beginners in 2021. How to set the AutoCAD beginners in 2021. And I have started professional AutoCAD coaching, and you have to first enter the command limits lim. Shortcut is lim. Limits command is limits and enter it. You have to enter 0, 0. Enter. And next one is specify upper right corner. You have to enter 10,000, 10,000. Enter it. Our next command is grid. 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 You have to enter full command. There is no shortcut is there. Enter it. And with the help of mouse cursor, you have to click it limits. Click it limits. And you properly see display grid behind the limits, yes or no. You have to click it no. No. Okay, you can see this. This is not showing the grid, and you have to show the. We can enter Z, enter A. We can show the this. There is no around the ground. You have to only draw this. You can set A4 page on A3 page, A1 page. You want to set. And next one is command is units. You have to unit set. Set command is units. Shortcut is UN. You have to use decimal, architectural, engineering. Architectural and engineering are same. Fractional, scientific. More used are decimal and architecture. How to see this? Sample outputs are same, and engineering. This is also same. How to show it? You have to use architecture. Do not use. You have to use feet, inches. You have to use architectural. You have to set. Do not set feet. Always set inches. And this is 0. 0. Do not click clockwise. You have to always uncheck it. And it is international. It is international. Always international. And then click direction. Direction is always east. And OK. OK it. Click it. And another setting is decimal. Decimal you have to set up to 3 decimal. You have to set millimeters, centimeters. You have to want set millimeters. Okay. And next command is line command. The line command shortcut is L to enter it. This is home. 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 We have to click it either this side or shortcut command is L. L line this way. You have to click it line on any point, and you have to show the any angle. You have to click it F8. 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 You to just click line command and enter it. Do not show. We have to only move 90 degree, 180 degree, 360 degree. Do not move in other direction. Shortcut is F8. You have to move. You have to go the straight line draw. Proper straight line draw with the help of F8. Click it and click it. You have to cancel the right click and cancel it, or you have to use a command. Click it, escape button. Either use escape or use it.